Welcome to Tell TV, where we bring you the most exciting car reviews. And today, we have a beast that perfectly blends power, luxury, and cutting-edge technology. The 2025 Audi RS3 in Python Yellow Metallic is here offering an exhilarating driving experience with an aggressive design and performance that sets it apart from the competition. Right from the first glance, the RS3 demands attention. The Python Yellow Metallic paint accentuates its bold character, while the signature honeycomb grille with the RS badge adds a fierce presence. The sharp matrix LED headlights give it a modern and aggressive look, while large air intakes enhance both aesthetics and aerodynamics. The sculpted body lines flow seamlessly into the muscular rear, where a sporty diffuser and oval exhaust tips hint at the immense power under the hood. Beneath the hood, the 2025 RS3 is powered by a legendary 2.5-liter 5-cylinder turbocharged engine delivering an impressive 401 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque. Paired with Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system and a lightning-fast 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, this sports sedan rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.6 seconds, making it one of the quickest in its class. The RS torque splitter enhances handling by actively distributing power between the rear wheels, ensuring razor-sharp cornering and thrilling performance on any road. Inside the cabin, the RS3 is built for both comfort and high-performance driving. The cockpit is driver-focused, featuring a fully digital instrument cluster with RS-specific graphics. The latest MMI infotainment system offers seamless connectivity navigation and a premium audio system, ensuring every ride is immersive. The RS Sport seats provide excellent support whether cruising on highways or attacking sharp corners. The flat-bottom steering wheel with paddle shifters adds to the sporty experience, bringing race-inspired excitement to daily driving. Audi has equipped the 2025 RS3 with advanced safety and driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control lane keeping assist and a 360-degree camera system, making it not only fast, but also incredibly secure on the road. With its aggressive stance, thrilling performance, and luxury-packed interior, this is a sports sedan that delivers an unforgettable experience. Would you take the 2025 Audi RS3 for a spin? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exciting car reviews only on Tell TV.